Who's it important for us to share information with or share our insights with? Well, if you've clicked on this link, the answer probably is you or someone you know. All of us face this problem. We go out, we start working with UAS, things start to go wrong in the field. We have some knowledge. We start to wonder, how far can I take this? What can I do to maintain this system? If something goes wrong, what can I do to repair the system? We look on the internet, we try to find solutions, but it can be a little daunting. Sometimes we can find the right video, but maybe we've never experienced that before. And sometimes it can feel, when watching a video, like maybe a step or two are missing. So we're going to put you live in the room with the experts. We're going to have them going around the room with drones that need repair. You're going to get your hands on actual systems that you might find commercially, and you're going to begin to take them apart, put them back together. We're going to look at the wiring, the components. We're going to say, this is how all of these components in the system work within this schematic architecture. How does this function well? And once you have that basic knowledge from our morning session, in the afternoon, you're going to get more hands-on tool experience. You're going to start to tinker. I love to call it tinkering, and I love to remind people, the greatest experts in aviation were the original Wright brothers, who were tinkerers. When they weren't building their bicycles, they began to think about how they could fly. Well, the same kind of thing is going to go here. We're going to get you in there and start you with tinkering. Once you get comfortable, you're going to start to push yourself after you leave the session and think about, what is my capacity and capability? Once you understand all the components, once you see how things come apart, go together, this basic knowledge can be used with supplemental material you might find, but the best part is your comfort level will be much greater. That ability to tackle that, watch that video, tackle that project, and then most importantly, once you've done a maintenance and repair, do you know how to test it to know that it'll work? Do you know how to test it to verify that what you've done was effective? Because we're going to go over that as well in the documentation session. A lot of times people think, oh, they saved the worst for last, I can leave. Don't leave early. Because if you are doing repairs and you are maintaining things, you need to keep proper records of that. And just in case something else goes wrong with the drone or the system itself, whatever it is, you will want to have this information in front of you, and you will want to have proper record keeping. We're going to go over a lot that day. I'm going to tell you, you won't be an expert when it's over, but you're going to feel like you moved and advanced your knowledge and your abilities a great deal in a single day. Thank you. Hope to see you in Orlando.